Transactions are group of cryptocurrency miners who work together to solve complex mathematical equations and validate transactions on a blockchain. The word cryptocurrency means it is a digital or virtual currency that uses cryptography for security. Mining pools connect their mining machines over a network to boost their chances of earning the reward for opening a new block. New blocks are always opened when a miner discovers a solution to the problem the entire blockchain network is trying to solve. This process is time consuming, energy intensive, and requires a computer that can generate and check trillions of hexadecimal numbers per second. How does a mining pool work? There are 6 steps. Step 1. Miners join a pool. Miners register within a mining pool by creating an account. Step 2. Pool operator manages resources. The pool operator manages the combined resources of all miners in the pool. Step 3. Miners solve mathematical equations. Miners uses their hardware to solve complex mathematical equations. Step 4. Block discovery and verification. When a miner solves the equation, they discover a new block. Step 5. Reward distribution. The pool operator distributes the rewards among the miners in the pool. Step 6. Fee collection. The pool operator collects fees from miners for their services. Overview of Bitcoin mining activity. This diagram shows the interaction between individual miners, mining pools, and the Bitcoin protocol. There are various types of mining pools available in blockchain technology. They are proportional mining pools, pay per share, P2P mining pools, full pay per share plus, and last one is pay per lost and shares. Proportional mining pools. Proportional mining pools are a type of mining pool that distributes rewards to miners based on their contributed mining power. After that, the miners are rewarded proportional to their number of shares. Characteristics of proportional mining pools are proportional reward distribution, variable reward size, and no fixed reward. Pay per share. Pay per share pools work similarly in that each miner receives shares for their contribution. However, they provide a full instant payout regardless of when a block is found. This diagram denotes the pay per share. In that diagram, all blocks pay out to pool members based on block reward. Peer-to-peer mining pools are a type of decentralized mining pool that allows miners to work together without relying on a central authority. Miners work on a side blockchain called a share chain, mining at a lower difficulty at a rate of 1 share block per 30 seconds. Full pay per share FPPS. Miners receive a reward proportional to the quality of shares they provided. The pools also pays a transaction fee reward. The next topic is Bitcoin network. The Bitcoin network is made up of computers running the Bitcoin software. It's also known as a Bitcoin client. The software running is what makes the whole thing work. The Bitcoin network is a peer-to-peer network. The extended Bitcoin network showing various node types, gateways and protocols. Nodes, types and roles. Nodes in the Bitcoin peer-to-peer network are equal. They may take on different roles depending on the functionality they are supporting. A Bitcoin node is a collection of functions routing the blockchain database, mining and wallet services. A full node with all of these 4 functions. They are wallet, miner, full blockchain and network routing node. Nodes include the routing function to participate in the network and might include other functionality. All nodes validate and propagate transactions and blocks and discover, maintain connection to peers. In the full node example in diagram, the routing function is indicated by an orange circle named network routing node. This slide shows the example of a Bitcoin network. In this diagram, there is only one node that is called Bitcoin client connects the all nodes of the computer. The explanation for the diagram is any computer on the Bitcoin network can talk with each other directly. This is different from a client server network where every computer on the network must first go through a central server. In the real world, peer-to-peer networks don't look as pretty and organized as above. Not every computer can connect directly with each other because the world is too big. So let's keep it real. Bitcoin in decentralized network. Bitcoin operates on a decentralized network, which means that is not controlled by a single entity or government. Key characteristics of Bitcoin's decentralized network. They are peer-to-peer network, decentralized architecture, open source software, consensus mechanism. Advantages of Bitcoin network. First one, decentralization. Decentralization means that Bitcoin operates without a central authority or single point of control. Transactions are recorded on a public ledger called the blockchain, which is maintained by a network of computers around the world. Second one, direct transfer. Bitcoin enables direct transfers between individuals without the need for intermediaries like banks. This reduces transaction fees and increases the speed of transactions. Third one, secure. Bitcoin transactions are secured through advanced cryptography and a decentralized network of computers. It more secure than traditional payment systems. Fourth one, low cost transactions. Bitcoin transaction fees are significantly lower compared to traditional payment systems. Accessibility. Bitcoin is accessible to anyone with an internet connection, making it global payment system. Sixth one, transparency. All Bitcoin transactions are recorded on a public blockchain, making them transparent and publicly accessible. Seventh one, volatility. While volatility can be risk for some investors, it also presents opportunities for traders and investors who can capitalize on price fluctuations. Disadvantages of Bitcoin network. First one, scalability. Bitcoin scalability is limited, which can lead to slow transaction processing times and high fees. Second one, energy consumption. Bitcoin mining requires significant amounts of energy to power the complex mathematical calculations needed to validate transactions. Third one, complexity. Bitcoin's underlying technology, blockchain, can be complex and difficult to understand for non-technical users. Fourth one, limited acceptance. Bitcoin is not widely accepted as a form of payment, which can be limits its usefulness for everyday transactions. Fifth one, not completely secure. While Bitcoin's blockchain technology is secure, the network is not completely secure. Sixth one, storage problems. Storing Bitcoin securely can be challenged, especially for large amounts. Seventh one, irreversible transactions. Bitcoin transactions are irreversible, which means that once a transaction is made, it cannot be undone. There are many limitations of blockchain technology. They are lack of awareness, scalability, key management, limited availability of technical talent, and immutable. Thank you.